Grand Buff. Who's the midfielder of the season for you?
Midfielder of the season.
Yeah, with PSL.
Urele for me.
Really?
Yeah.
Who's the most improved team in the PSL?
It's no bets. Golden Arrows.
Golden Arrows, yeah. Who will finish number 16 in the PSL?
Orbit College.
What's the best stadium to play in with PSL?
I'm from Kingswood.
Kingswood.
Yeah.
Arena.
Arena.
Danko. Who's going to finish number 15 in the PSL? 15. Those are what I'm playoffs.
It's bakhona obeti.
Who's going to win the Betway Premiership? Well, no explanations, just
I am Nyama for
Who's the player of the season at Golden Arrows? Tough one, I know.
It's tough.
Because you're part of it too.
No, me, I'm not there.
No.
I'm not there.
Squishy. Danko. Who's the best foreign player in the PSL?
For me, it's that boy for Sundowns. Allende. For me, that one.
Who's the player of the season in the PSL? No, it's just fine. It's just one question. In the whole league.
It's difficult. It's difficult. My opinion. Yeah.
Ufuke.
King or Squishy.
No, Squishy. Danko. For us, it's Squishy.
Squishy.